Welcome to Kingdom Animalia, where animals are classified according to the symmetry of their body structure.
Symmetry describes how an animal's body can be divided into equal and balanced parts. Animals are classified into radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry, and asymmetry.
Animals with radial symmetry can be divided into two equal halves through more than one plane. Animals with bilateral symmetry can be divided into two equal halves through only one plane.
Asymmetrical animals, such as sponges, cannot be divided into equal halves by any plane.
Understanding body symmetry helps scientists classify animals accurately and study their evolutionary adaptations.
Radial symmetry has multiple planes. Bilateral symmetry has one plane, and asymmetry has no plane of symmetry.
Keep exploring biology to discover the incredible diversity of life in Kingdom Animalia.